Hi guys and welcome to educational live trade video for the day. Today is 20th of March, so now let's see how the market had opened today. So the market today is opening at 0.12% up, that is advances stocks are 34, declines as 12 and unchanged year 4 stocks. So not much of a bullish or bearish opening here. So it's opening somewhere in between the range. So let's see how the market will perform today. So guys, I have decided to trade on Infi today. I'm short selling it in the market level around 1563. So let's see how the stock will perform today, and I'm planning to keep the target up to 5 or 6 points. So let's see how the stock will perform, and I'll update you where I take the exit and everything in this video. So watch the video till the end to see the full trading video for the day and where I take the exit and everything. So as you guys can see here, this stock does look a bit of an bearish side. So the stock did try to go up, but it couldn't sustain, and you can see here the big wick has been formed in the candle what we are seeing right now, and that is showing that the stock is being pushed down and there is no strength towards the buying side. And as I said you, today the market is opening in a bit of a range bounded way, not even a buying side as a strength or not even a selling side as a strength in market as of now. So it will take some time for the market to get into momentum side. So let's wait for the moment. And also, if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal intraday trading course today. In my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join us, I'll be guiding you all the required skills to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, you will get everyday live market personal support as well. The course prices are very reasonably priced. You can just go inside my channel to watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trades what I've uploaded from years together. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can just message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to discuss with me. So now getting back to the trade, the stock is still trading around the same range itself. So the stock is in a bit of a range bounded way. I guess it will take some time to get to the momentum for the selling side. So the low made as of now is 1561.55. So let's wait for that 1561.55 to give a breakout somewhere close to 1559 or 1558. I'll just plan to take my exit. Okay, so let's wait for some time and see how the stock will perform. So guys, yes, it has been a while now. The stock was trying to go up, but suddenly the sellers came in and now it's trying to come down. So let's see now if it can break that 1651 levels, and I'll plan to take my safe exit somewhere around 5 points, because the market has now turned to a bit of a bearish way, but the market is becoming a very range bounded kind of movement. So I'll just plan to take my exit as soon as possible. Okay, so 1560 is a new low what it has made. Let me just wait for it to touch 1559. Okay guys, so we are now close to 1559. So I'll just plan to take my exit here. So almost 4 to 5 points target has been touched. So let me take my safe exit for the day. So guys, yes, as you guys can see here, the stock has made a low of almost 1522.50 today, and yes, I've taken my exit by almost close to 5 points. The stock had become range bounded around afternoon, and it did take a little bit of time for it to come down fully, but anyway, by booking our profit, I exited, and this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Infi. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to join us and to discuss with me.